Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to produce a DPI image for a competition. First, open up Lightroom, select the image you want for a DPI competition and right click. Go down to Export and over to the right on the top, Export again. The first thing you have to do is choose where the image is going to be stored. I like to put mine on the desktop. I like to put it in a separate folder and I'll rename the folder DPI. Once you've done that, go down to the naming of the file. This is important for the competition so they know who it is, what division you're in and the title. So I put my name at the beginning, followed by hashtag, the division number I'm in, division 1, hashtag and title. After the file has been exported, we will rename this part, title, to whatever the image is called. Leave the file settings as JPEG and sRGB, quality 100. This is the important part now. Image sizing. Tick resize to fit. First is 1400 by 1050 in pixels. Resolution is 300. Once you've done this, click Add and choose DPI and create. This has now created a preset, so in the future you won't have to follow this procedure, it will automatically be done for you. So I choose Export. Now I'll go back to my desktop. There is my folder. I open it up and there's the image. This will be slightly different on our Windows, but the principle's the same. So all I need to do now is rename the image. So this is going to be called Boys Night Out, leaving the JPEG on there. Now the file is ready to be emailed out for the competition. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.